Well, here's the peregrine falcon kind of hanging out in the tree here. Right where the falls goes over the edge, and looks like he's trying to clean up a little bit. He's enjoying his perch here and sitting by the water, kind of showing off. Good tree, there's no leaves on it, he's seeing really good. He's been kind of favoring this tree, so that's good. Stands out really good with his color, the white water behind him, and there's no leaves on the trees, and the sunlight is just about right, so it's looking really good. I don't know if I can back off and give you more view of the falls or not. I can try it. That's about what I get there. But anyway, the water's going by, and we decided it's a good place to sit and relax a little bit. Female's over on the egg, so he's taking it easy. I'll zoom back in now and see what's back. Oh yeah, there he is. And he did good. He gets the food, and she comes off the nest, and we do the handoff. So works really good. Well, hopefully they'll have a successful year here. And last year they had 4 babies they raised, so we'll see how they do this year. I think we're going to probably call that pretty much it. Picking up, I'm going to try to get some still shots. And that's about as close as I can get with the movie, so I'm hoping he'd fly, but maybe he's just going to take it easy. It looks like he's kind of free and kind of taking it easy. This is the male peregrine falcon, like I said. Females on the edge.